Yeah. This is so cute.
You have me on cam.
What?
You have me on cam.
Oh yeah.
She's already started her shenanigans. We didn't listen. Bro, we about to be in Seattle. This Dumbo. She stopped us from going to Sprouts and got us here too early.
I was trying to be on time.
I just wanna roll it, roll it, roll it.
Oh, it's hot.
Good morning, Seattle. I get into it.
Get into it, Seattle.
There you go. Oh, I did park hella up. I was like, bro, I did not care last night. Bro, I just wanted to go inside.
Yeah, that's why I really want to go whale watching.
Yeah, I didn't even realize.
It's a port. It's literally like a port.
I didn't know that. Oh my god, it's so cute here, bro. We need to go there on the Ferris wheel.
I'm in Seattle.
So guys, oh, photo bomb. Oopsie. Guys, so apparently you can't bring boxes in public, and you also can't touch cars.
Yeah, don't touch. Yeah.
Where are we going though?
I don't know. How do you feel about it? Let's go down there.
Go to the Spheres.
Oh yeah, the Spheres. Oh yeah, let's start walking then. Yeah, let's go to the Spheres.
Usually go to on my tour, but mom.
Yeah, I don't think they prepared y'all, but I had to put the grill in. Let's see what they talking about. Huh?
Chill with fall. Look at how packed that Starbucks is. It's 1912.
1912. A tad bit of matcha wouldn't taste bad right now.
I think you go with a little bit of matcha. A little bit of matcha. Like, I only do my things yet. I'm going to Truly Glass.
Is that where we're going?
Yeah, we're going to Truly Glass Garden.
Oh,
I'm
yes.
so excited. That one right there.
Yeah. This one's beautiful. I love the lighting in here.
Glass is pretty strong. They built that whole building out of it. Right behind you. Okay. Here we go. Aim for the middle. Stick it on there. Make little adjustments. Looking for set. Wow.
The back of the bag's enough.
Your dome and large wide arches, all a part of the Pacific Science Center. The arches were designed by the same person that designed the World Trade Center in New York. Off to the right, you'll see Climate Pledge Arena, home of the Krakens and the Storms, our local hockey and basketball teams. Further to the right, past the supports, is the neighborhood of Queen Anne on top of the hill. And off to the left, Elliott Bay, the marina, and downtown Seattle. I'll be sending you all 500.
Oh my god, look at those huge spiders on the roof.
Oh crap.
Will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me.
Oh, it's so much people because of the convention. I forgot.
Okay.
Okay, we're back.
Put in the bag, put the bag. Well, I mean, it's still waiting. In the bag. Daddy puts in the front. I be doing what I want.
Dude, this one's good. Papa? Dude, that looks just like your saw.
Chat, what do y'all think about this?
Chat says it's $38. Oh no. Yeah, let's go. Day 2, y'all.
Day 2.
Okay, so we're gonna do a little like thrift challenge. So basically, we're gonna choose like an outfit from Pinterest, and we're gonna try our best to get it as closely as possible at the thrift.
Okay, so I have a few options.
Yeah, show them what you
Okay,
have.
so basically, I'm trying to find something like this, or maybe something like that, you know, but more halal.
Yeah.
And then I'm also looking for like a good set of jeans, basic top.
Oh, those are cute. Are
I know,
those
I
your
don't
size?
think they're my size though.
Those look like your style. Is that anything? Yeah, scenic route, guys. In Tacoma, Seattle, Washington. Tacoma. Hey, Marty Supreme was here.
Marty Supreme was so good when he fell through the floor.
Hey, my hair's probably lame. My just probably laid now.
And I laid on day, man.
Outfit change. Wait. No, you had the same outfit on earlier, right? You had the same fit on earlier, right?
Yeah.
This is a different one, guys.
What did you get? What did you order?
So I got butter chicken. Oh my gosh.
Butter
Chicken, cheese, naan. And then rice.
Right? Okay, this is what I got. So I got beef biryani. I had some samosas earlier, but we already ate them. They were too good. And then I got some mango, like a mango smoothie type drink.
Guys, it's like the most slipperiest, wettest trail in the world.
This is giving me Twilight vibes.
No, for real. Twilight. Where are we going?
We're going to Maps Masjid to go pray Isha, Inshallah Tarawih.
Mep Seattle.
Yep.
Accomplished. We went to the masjid. We prayed Isha.
Yes,
It's a
mashallah.
great experience.
Yes.
Nice little Muslim community here in Seattle. Why did I have my thumb out for so long?
I don't know. Hey, we want to run the. Let's try these.
Guys, that's the original mod pizza.
Yes, original mod.
Guys, we are charging the car.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go to a Arab like coffee shop. Try to get some coffee or matcha or whatever.
Need some matcha,
Like hopefully they have some
need some
matcha.
matcha, yeah, like need some sweet, you know, like gotta check out the hood.
It's getting a bit late in it, don't you think?
It's just have it late.
We should probably head over there in a bit.
We got 10 more minutes, yeah, we got 10 more minutes.
No, we good. We don't need it.
Hey guys, I'm making a cameo in the vlog. So far so good. Seattle's been really cold though. Gotta stay warmed up. Anyways.
Yours is just a regular matcha? Okay. Yes, guys, I got a cappuccino. And what is this?
A pistachio brownie.
It's like a Dubai chocolate brownie. It's good. Just a lot of crunch.
I know my matcha clears my palate. Yeah.
Restart real quick. Okay. Wait, can you see me?
Yeah. How is it? How's your cappuccino?
Good and good. I thought this was gonna be more cinnamony.
Cinnamony? What does it taste like?
It just tastes like I don't know, chocolate. She's driving the Tesla, guys.
Yeah.
She's driving the Tessie. She's a big girl.
I'm a big girl, yeah, whipping that Tesla. Quit playing with me.
We're heading to Mount Rainier.
It's my birthday.
And it's her birthday.
Now I'm like scrolling. I've been awake this whole time, guys. I never sleep on my birthday. I'm always so excited. And today we're going to Mount Rainier. So I'm really happy because that's all I wanted to do this year is go on a good hike and be in nature. And alhamdulillah, we're in the last 10 days of Ramadan, so I just feel like it's just meant to be type. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated.
Guys, so we made it to Mount Rainier.
Oh my god.
We had a small pit stop, but we had to go get tire chains.
Yes, it was crazy.
Wait, where are they? They're back there. Anyways, we had to get tire chains. It was $30 for the tire
You
chains.
should have saw the smile get off my face when he was like, and you guys need to go get tire chains. I was like,
Now we behind this slow MO.
Alright, so we're right here. Alright, so it's like a 6-mile drive until we get to wait. Are you dead?
Bro, what am I supposed to do?
And not only that, you're looking at you.
I'm trying to make a post, but there's a SOS. There's SOS. There's no.
When there's not enough, come fill a nigga team.
I need chips. I tell that nigga, keep like a
Guys, it's literally like a winter wonderland out here. But anyways, dude, we had to make so many pit stops, so the Tesla was going to die on us. So luckily we found a charger here at this hotel, and now we're about to go look for. Oh my god! Now we're about to go look for. Bro, this looks so sketchy. I don't know about this. Yo. Oh my god. Oh, hey.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
oh my god, let's keep going.
Oh my gosh. That would have been terrible. Hey dude, let's go over there real quick in the middle. There's like hella sun. Birthday girl dinner.
Yes.
Period. Going to Fogo de Chao. This is her first time at a Brazilian steakhouse. I couldn't believe that when I heard it. But nevertheless, we're gonna go and have a good time and we're gonna eat good.
Eat good, inshallah.
Inshallah.
It's rooftop, yeah.
Gave us the princess treatment. Got the like exclusive walk up, and then they gave us like a little. They told us we can come out here and chill. We're going upstairs to go to the all you can eat because she accidentally reserved this rooftop, Fogo de Chao rooftop, but we're gonna go downstairs so we can get the full experience. I really want her to experience. How is it?
Right now I'm trying some lamb. It's very good. Hey, look, keep taking over.
Happy birthday to you.
Ooh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh my god. I feel so special right now. The thing is though, I don't got a fork. Do you? Do you have a fork?
Oh no. Let me see if they have some over there. Our last day in Seattle.
How was Seattle for you?
I feel like it came at a perfect time in my life. Like it was the perfect storm.
Of the year?
Like just I don't know. I feel like I had a lot of highs and lows on this trip, like emotionally. Oh fuck! Oh no! He disappeared. He disappeared. I thought he was still behind us. Oh crap! Well, first of all, we need to figure out where we're. Me and Layla have gone our separate ways. I don't know. She's like at another cafe and I'm at this one. She's with somebody, one of her friends. So I'm just doing my own thing right now.